If you are having trouble accessing your lessons, I wanted to talk to you about what you need to do. You'll go to our home page just like normal. And for example, if you're going to be doing your math lessons, you're going to click on math just like normal. You have to click on the week at a glance and view your weekly checklist before you can move on to something else. I'm going to go over here to modules and show you what it looks like from that view. As you scroll down, you're going to notice, let me put it on student view so it's like you're looking at it. When you scroll down, it looks like everything is grayed out. The reason is you have to start with the weekly checklist. Once you view it, it will take you down to the next item, information page for parents and students. You're going to have to mark that as done before it will let you move on to Tuesday lesson. When you go to Tuesday lesson, the added step is going to be up at the top. There's a place for you to mark it as done. So it won't let you move forward until you complete one day's work and mark it as done. Then you can hit next, or go to your day of the week button, or go to the modules button. Now here it's asking you to turn in today's work, which was to do page 293. If you upload it here, or if you send it to me by email, in any event, you've got to click on Submit Assignment before it will let you move forward. It's the same thing for your literacy lesson. For literacy, you'll see that it looks like everything is grayed out. That's because you have to view this checklist first, and after you do that, then the Tuesday lesson will pop up and you can proceed through the units. This is going to be to help you stay up with where you need to be and to make sure you finish and turn in your work before you move on to something else. So this is how you need to move through your units, and that's why it's not letting you progress. You have to finish one thing before you can go to another one.